Good afternoon, guys. So today we're installing EGT on my 6.0 PowerStroke, and I'm taking a little bit of a different approach under the guidance and counseling of a good friend and better mechanic of mine. And let me show you what I'm getting into. What we're doing is pulling the fender liner, and we're installing the EGT on this side. So I've already started pulling the fender liner. There's a bunch of miscellaneous fasteners. You can see it's good to do this anyways. There's a bunch of dirt built up in there, and that will turn into rust eventually. So I'm pulling this fender liner, and then I'll show you guys what we got going on. Now, check this out. Anderson RV leveling blocks and chocks gave me just enough clearance to where I can get up under this thing easily. So anyways, let's move on. See, we're gonna go right into that manifold. Let me find out right where, and I'll show you, and we'll get to it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna drill about right here, try to drill it level, and we'll install our EGT probe right there. All right, so I have all the bits out, but I think I can't remember exactly what I'm supposed to drill it at. I think it's like 21/64ths. But I'm going to start with this small pilot. Go in here. Let's get it started. Okay, there's the hole. I have this 1/8 inch NPT tap, and I'm gonna run this sucker in. All right, so that was kind of a train wreck, but we got it tapped, and now we're just gonna, we got some anti-seize on this fitting, and we're tightening this down. Give it a little more sauce. Can you guys see that? Okay, now I should probably go read the directions, because I don't have a clue about how this is supposed to be installed. Let me read the directions really quick, gents. All right, so I just grazed over the directions real quick, and I don't see anything that says I need to put anything on that thermocouple fitting. You should definitely, oh come on, not follow my instructions. But okay. Okay, it's gonna hold it in place. Now, let me show you what we're gonna do here. All right, so you see where that is. We're on the passenger side of the truck. I'm gonna come up right here. I'm gonna go inside this grommet, and I'll run the cabling across the dash to the passenger side. So anyway, I know this is not the way the instructions tell you to do it. You should do it the way the instructions tell you, but I'm doing it a different way, and I think it's a good way. So I wanted to share it with you guys. Okay, so check it out. right here. That, see where it's coming from? That grommet. So I dropped this plate. This is like a kick plate. I dropped this kick plate, and let's do this. I'm just gonna loosely wire this in for now. I may change it later, probably not. So I'm gonna go like that, and then I'm gonna go up there. So we'll put this in. So you guys down real quick. So now, see that? It's popping up, it's going across, and then this, I'll put behind my airbag controls, put this over like that. And now, here's my EAS system. Now, I wanted to find a good solution for this. Hanging here is not, that is not how I want that. So I'll figure out a mounting, but see, there's my EAS plugin. So we'll figure this out, and then I'll show you. All right, guys, so this is what I got going on. I zip tied that down there. I'm gonna cut it. Anytime I add an accessory, I'm gonna have to cut it again, but that's fine. Then I have this here. This is off of the EGT, that expandable. And then this is the OD cable that runs there. I'm gonna zip tie these two together. And then boom, put the cover back on, and we'll be done. All right, there it is, all zip tied and tucked up. Now, Chatty. What's up, bud? All right, what EGT, guys? No dangling wiring hanging down here, none of that nonsense. Oh, we missed one. There we go. All right, let's walk through this thing really quick. So, I had set this up for towing before. It has trans, coolant, oil, boost, IATs, gear. Now this is boost as well because I want EGT here and I had not installed EGT. So I just hooked up the EGT, and this is what I'm gonna do. I didn't program it or anything. I just plugged it all in. And there it is, EAS EGT. Okay, now it should be reading in the 60s, 70s max, because this thing's been off for a while. 77. So let's fire it up and see what's going on. All right, looks like EGT is working. All right, everyone, that's gonna wrap this video. We just did a slightly unconventional install, or we didn't install the EGT the way the directions asked us to. And just want to show you guys another method that was shown to me by a good friend mechanic. Next week, we're gonna do a full walk around on this truck. I recently purchased a fifth wheel, and we're gonna walk around all the upgrades that I've done to this truck to get it prepared to tow that much weight. So stay tuned for that. Take care. We're out.